Treatment. I'll talk about a case study project on municipal solid waste which we have done in the state of Goa. We have done two plants in Goa. See, our parent company name is SFC Environment Technology. We are basically into sewage treatment plants. We have about 200 STPs throughout India. We normally supply technology in STPs on sequential batch reactor process, which is called the CTEC patented technology. Hindustan Waste Treatment is our subsidiary company where we deal into municipal solid waste. Presently, we have two projects in Goa. See, as a SFC, we have been into this for the last 20 years, basically into sewage treatment plants and developed a new venture of municipal solid waste. See, we are into complete solution to MLW, right from construction, operation, and financing of the project, complete execution and operation over a period of the entire concession period of the project. See, this is our waste segregation of waste is very important, then transportation, then processing, and these are our areas of business where we do. Basically, if you see the process characterization of waste, normally it's basically in India it's a mixed waste, but people have started segregation to a certain extent. Basically, 60% is organic, balance rest is inorganic and other residue material. See, these are two plants in Goa. One is of 250 plus 2300 tons capacity, which is being operation from since 2016. Almost 8 years we have been operating and generating power out of it, which we are exporting it to government of Goa. We have a power purchase agreement with government of Goa, and the other plant is of 100 tons per capacity, which it's in operation from last 2 years. See, this is an aerial view of our project which we have implemented. The left-hand corner is the project which is of 300 tons. Then these are some of the photos of the equipment. The bottom one is the gas engine where we generate power. These are again some photos of the South Goa facility which is of 100 tons, which is in operation from last 2 years. See, basically our process is into maximum recovery of organic from effective pre-treatment. That is basically pre-segregation of waste into organic and inorganic. And IS biogas production by a technology called biomethanation, where we have a thermophilic biodigestion process. And the waste which goes to landfill is less than 3%. Lowest waste going to landfill. And our plant is 100% compliance to SWM 2016 rules. So the key features, if you see, the inlet is less than 3%, which is going to landfill. Power, we are generating about 30,000 units in a day, out of which 12,000 is our in-house plant consumption. Balance, we are exporting it to grid. See, this is just a small scheme of organics. See, we have a pre-segregation system from the waste where we recover organic separately. Then from the organic, which is destined to a digestion system, after digestion system, the power is produced. See, this is a small flow diagram of the overall biodigestion system where we handle our organic wet waste in the state of Goa. See, organic extrusion from the waste is our main focus of area, which is our technology. Basically, we get mixed waste to a certain extent. We remove organic separately from the overall mixed waste and we process in the digestion system. So, pre-treatment of the waste, either in the form of mixed waste or even if we get segregated, there is still contamination. There is the segregated waste also to a certain extent. For example, we are getting segregated, but the extent of contamination is more than 30% in that. So, we remove organic, inorganic separately and then process the whole waste. It is better if household segregation is done. That is a much effective and the plant cost will also come down based on that. These are our aerobic composting facility. Other than power, we generate compost. We recover all the recyclable to the extent of 40%. The organic composts are manufactured in the plant, which we have an agreement with Zuari Agrochemicals as a fertilizer company for selling it in the market as a fertilizer. See, basically the performance parameter of the plant, if you see, 20 to 30, 20 to 20%, we are recovering the recycle in various forms, like 14 fractions, we are sorting it out. And power, we are generating about 1.5 megawatt per 100 tons. And compost about 5 to 10%. And RDF about 25 to 30%. Inert, which is going to final landfill, is only 3 to 4%. 2 to 4%. See, this is a innovation. Like the entire plant is single point control through a PLC SCADA system where we monitor all the parameters of the digester. Because digestion is nothing but similar to our stomach, where we have our food and there is a digestion system. So all parameters of this digestion system has to be monitored round the clock and corrective measures needs to be taken at appropriate time. See, basically we are into the business of developing new projects, invest in the projects. We have got a couple of more projects with the oil companies. Right now we are going to implement a 1,000-ton project in the city of Mumbai along with Gas Authority of India Limited and another 200 tons project in Navi Mumbai with ONGC. So with oil companies, we are coming with two new projects, one of 1,000 tons and another 200 tons in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. See, we request all to come to our plant and see the plant. Seeing is believing. We invite you to come and see our plant. which will give you an insight of the entire plant process and the detailing what we have done in Goa. Thank you.